If you own a Steam machine, Steam Deck, or run SteamOS on your computer, you will have seen this startup animation. You are probably aware that you can change this by purchasing custom videos on Steam's points shop. These points are earned by purchasing games, allowing you to spend them on cosmetics that personalize your Steam profile. But what if you want something a little more custom? For example, this custom PlayStation boot up video for that nostalgic trip. Well, in this quick guide, I'll show you how you can accomplish this. This guide will work whether you have a Steam machine, Steam Deck, or PC running SteamOS. So let's get right to it. Firstly, we need to switch our device into desktop mode. Once we're in desktop mode, we need to download some boot videos. Opening up a web browser, we can either search for Steam Machine boot videos in your favorite search engine, or go straight to the site I like to use, steamdeckrepo.com. And we can see a selection of boot videos here. Have a little browse, find one you like the look of, this one looks good, and download it. As always, make sure you check what you are downloading. Don't download any dodgy files. While we wait for this video to download, we'll need to open up the file manager, which is the blue folder icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. You then need to ensure we're on the home folder and show hidden files. We can do this by clicking the 3 lines in the top right corner and scrolling down and ticking Show Hidden Files. Or you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H. We then need to navigate to .local, Share, Steam, and finally Config. Once we've navigated there, you will need to create a new folder called UI Overrides. And within that folder, create another folder called Movies. Then we locate our downloaded boot video and place that within this newly created folder. And that's it. Now all we have to do is test it by returning to gaming mode. And once we're there, we can head into Settings and go down to Customization, scroll down and preview our boot video to check it's working, and select it as the one we want to use. Or perhaps what I like to do is to activate shuffle mode, so a different video loads every time I boot my Steam machine. And that's all there is to it. Now this got me thinking, will SteamOS allow a full-length movie to be added as a startup animation? Put in the comments if you think we should test and see if there is a limit to the length of a boot up video. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.